Watch the budget debates live on PBCJ. Jamaica's first female Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Favour Williams, will make her maiden presentation when she opens the budget debate at Gordon House on Tuesday, March 11. The government is proposing a $1.26 trillion budget for the 2025-2026 fiscal year, which begins on April 1. And her presentation will explain how it all will be financed. On Thursday, March 13, Opposition spokesman on finance, Julian Robinson, will make his contribution. Opposition leader Mark Golding will make his contribution on Tuesday, March 18. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness will follow 2 days later on Thursday, March 20. Then, Minister Favour Williams will close the debate on Tuesday, March 25. Watch it all live on PBCJ, the People's Station.